Hi guys! Learn how to make a creamy homemade hot chocolate. A combination of cocoa powder and dark chocolate makes this drink extra creamy, rich, and luxurious. Perfect for rainy days and cold weather. These are the ingredients: 1 cup fresh milk, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 50 grams dark chocolate, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 stick cinnamon, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. In a small saucepan, pour the fresh milk. Add 1 stick cinnamon, brown sugar, salt, and dark chocolate. Warm over medium-low heat. Stir frequently until mixture is smooth and creamy and chocolates are melted. Add cocoa powder and stir constantly until no lumps remain. Continue to simmer. Remove from heat, then set aside. Using a hand mixer, whip the cream until the size is doubled. In your favorite mug, pour in the hot chocolate. Top with whipped cream. And dust over some cocoa powder. And that is my creamy homemade hot chocolate. Serve and enjoy! If you like the recipe, comment down below and be sure to subscribe on our YouTube channel, C6J Travels. Don't forget to hit the bell button to notify you on our future uploads. Follow our social media accounts at C6J Travels. Till our next recipe. Ta!